Next up, the house key on farm. This one is usually for a quest, and of course, you can purchase it from the market or from Evita, a trader, by doing a simple trade for it. This is on farm, located all the way on the far east side of the map over here by storage. Zooming in, we'll need to head across to these buildings over here. Let's do that now. Right, so making our way up all the way to these far back houses, just behind the spawn over here. So, right over here, these houses are the ones that you can unlock. This white one over here is the one that we will use the key at, and opening the door, inside, you'll find a jacket to your immediate left, with usually okay loot in it. Then, opening the door, on your right should be another jacket, and there's not much else in this room. Then, heading back out, in the far side, we have the kitchen area, which usually has nothing but a bit of loose loot. There's nothing in here. And heading upstairs, there's only this filing cabinet over here with probably a little bit of loose loot. That's pretty much it. So there's some money on the table here, and the filing cabinet, for which I am relatively unlucky with. That's pretty much it. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.